These are the key words. Victim is a noun. A person harmed, injured, or killed as a result of a crime, accident, or other event or action. A person who are tricked or duped. What is the legal definition of a crime or victim? In California, victim means a person against whom a crime has been committed, and a crime means an act committed in these states which, if committed by a competent adult, would constitute a misdemeanor or felony. Right to sue. Victims have always had the right to sue for money damages to person or persons who injures them during a criminal act or civil wrongdoing under tort law. Hierarchy of victims. Signed by Efren Teichman, 10/10/2017. Not all crime victims receive equal attention. Victims can be portrayed as ideal. Describes the ideal victim as a person or category of individuals who, when hit by crime, most readily are given the complete and legitimate status of being a victim. This group includes those who are perceived as vulnerable, defenseless, innocent, and worthy of sympathy and compassion. Elderly men and women, young children, it is suggested, are typical ideal victims. Whereas young men, the homeless, those with drug problems, and others existing on the margins of society may find it much more difficult to achieve legitimate victim status, still less secure a conviction in court. Okay, Carabine et al., 2004. Okay, I'm showing this so that for everybody to know that I have done my own research in starting what is the victim. Alright? Man, 2 years of research. I have done what, man, because I don't have any money to pay my lawyer.
The ego is not a huge, big problem.
Okay.
But women can be combative, okay, and we can be very feisty, but most of the time the issues really revolve around specific facts of the case. Women, I think, are better geared at looking at a problem in the big picture, looking at it in terms of practical solutions. We play to certain stereotypes, but the stereotypes are there because historically and experientially, I think we know that women are great at taking care of people. Okay, and women, I think, are very good at explaining things to clients, making sure that clients know what they're getting themselves into. And then women are very good at anticipating many things with respect to case. So it's that has been my experience, one as a woman, as a female attorney, and like I said, I have two other siblings who are lawyers. One is and so one is we are all in litigation. And there are two women lawyers in my family, my sister Karen and I, and then my brother Al. There are 5 women in my family, so I see how women manage things. And I think we manage things pretty well because we can allocate, we raise children, we take care of people, so we know how to allocate certain needs to certain areas and to a lot of people. And we're anticipatory and, like I said, not too concerned about
The ego.
But more
Yeah.
more concerned. Listen, you're a man. I don't take that in the wrong way. But,
No, I don't. I don't. Yeah, I happen to agree with you. I really do. Now,
I don't want to get on your bad side.
no. I know, Claire. I agree. I mean, I think so many men have such a problem with ego, and I think what you said makes perfect sense. So, no, you're speaking the truth, and that is something that is irreplaceable. I mean, that's what you have to do. You got to tell the truth.
Oh yeah. Particularly in this day and age, we have to stop speaking in euphemisms and all sort of double speak and just say it. But women have a particularly good approach, I think, to the law because I think we are more balanced.
Gotcha.
That's how I'll put it.
Okay, makes sense. Now, I'm sorry.
You will forgive me. I've been having very bad asthma, so every now and then you'll hear sniffles.
Oh, that's quite all right. And if I was there, I'd give you a tissue. How about that?
Okay, good.
All right. So, hey, Claire, tell me. Look, say I'm looking for a lawyer. What are some things that I should screen to find a good lawyer? Like, what's a characteristic of a good lawyer?
A good lawyer is somebody who, first of all, will listen to your story. Be very wary of people who are so intent of selling themselves. They have to have the ability to sit and listen, because you cannot analyze a case without having somebody taking the time to sit and listen to you. Now, time is money, okay? And you can expect that the lawyer will put you in a specific time frame. Say if they are going to give you an hour's worth of free consultation, you got to honor that because time is money. Be wary of a lawyer who can sit with you for 5 hours and not charge you for his or her time. Then there's a problem there. But a lawyer who listens to your concerns, a lawyer who has some understanding of the area of the law that you are asking about or you are concerned about, and if a lawyer does not have that, because there are so many areas in the law that one can have a problem in, you should look out for the lawyer who will say, I don't have enough knowledge about this particular case, but it is something that I can research on. So the initial interview is very important. You're looking at candor. You're looking at somebody who takes the time. You're looking at somebody who has empathy. You're looking for somebody who is candid and honest and will not pressure you into signing up a case simply because he wants to make a client sale. It's just like that. It's sales. But you have to be wary of that because most of the time lawyers, well, not most of the time, some lawyers will tell you everything you want to hear so that you'll sign them up. So that's the initial consultation. And then through the course of the relationship, watch out for lawyers who will not take the time to update.
This is really a hard work, making these journals for my legal case against the church. Just try to imagine this. June 1st, I was there in the 99-cent store, and this stupid supervisor, Leticia, she have thrown my journal outside the 99-cent store. And that's really the time that you will see. This kind of narcissistic personality disorder, is also pandemic. People, given that authority, sometimes they belittle people, don't respect treat them like toys or men. These people should be properly educated by the corporation. That's the reason I started lecturing them what is, if they know their corporate code of conduct. And people may be looking at me and maybe they're saying that I am have a mental problem. I mean, shouting inside the 99-cent store, and during that time, man, June 1st, 2020, May 25, okay, what happened? George Floyd was murdered by a policeman. Okay? So, May 25, June 1st, 5 days after that, there is a riot going on in the whole United States. And the LAPD here in LA, they are in convoy. And this stupid supervisor, she did something so stupid. Okay, I'm trying to show to her who I am so that she will respect me, because she is accusing me of littering. At my age, because there's a time that, because I was parked beside the dumpster of 99-cent store. And then some of those stupid people also are throwing something there in the dumpster. I was there doing something, and she told me to move. When I'm moving, she said I should pick up those truss, like the chair or what. I said, that's not mine. And I said, are you stupid? I'm just parked here and you're going to accuse me of something. And she got mad. June 1st, in the morning, I went to the 99-cent store. This 99-cent store is like a chain, big chain of store already. Okay, they are like already Ralph's. Not the 99 cents only store there. It's not 99 cents. They are selling for 99, 17.99, even 20.99. At least always there is a 99 cents. That's anyway. I went inside and buy 1 gallon of water and my soda around 8 o'clock in the morning, and there's only one open cashier. And then Leticia is the one over there. And while I'm online and paying my soda and gallon of water, and then she said, I know you. You are littering again this morning. And then everybody heard it. I was online paying what I bought, and then she started accusing me again of littering. So I said, why? I'm littering? Come on, man, do you have any evidence that I'm the one littering? And she said, I'm going to tow your car. I said, what? It doesn't connect. Littering, you're going to tow my car? I think it doesn't match. It's like I took a candy, you're going to put me in the firing squad, Leticia. Don't be stupid, okay? I don't want any problem, so don't even try to belittle me and bully me, okay? I'll tell you who I am. I'll come back and show you who I am, okay? Just wait. So I came back and brought my journal to show to her, okay, who I am. But I forgot my phone. So I said, don't touch my journal, okay? That's my personal journal. I'll just get my phone. Alright? So I put it beside, not obstructing anything. I warned her not to touch it. That is my personal journal. I'm working for that for so long. The reason I'm ready to say, but I have to get my phone first, okay? Don't touch it. I'll be back. When I went to my car, while going back, I saw my journal flying outside in front of the 99-cent store. Okay, that's the worst thing that she did. I've been working on that journal for so long. and whoever, man, you will kill that woman. If you are in my shoes, you will kill that woman, man. But I was able to control myself. Okay? But the problem is, she created a problem that there's nothing there. Okay? So when I started to say, okay, on top of my voice, man, I said, why did you do that? So she got scared, actually. She thinks I'm going to do something to her. So I started to run inside. I'm following her. And then, all I want to know is why she did that. And then she started to call, maybe 911. And that is the worst thing she did. Because during that time, all the police, all the LPD are in full force now to stop the rioting. And calling 911 without any situation that you are really needed, that you need the police response of because the only time that you're going to call 911 is in emergency. She created a problem and now she's going to call 911. I think we have to. I don't know what we're going to do with this daily. Because it's like in New York, the one with the dog called 911, man, that is not using the resources of the public during the time it is in need. For your stupidity, we have to address that. Amen to that. At the same time, if the LAPD came and I was inside shouting, man, I will be in trouble. So she even put me in a situation wherein I will be in trouble. Anyway, but I was so lucky when after I think almost 20 minutes, okay, I went outside, and one thing more, man, all the pages of my journal are, man, detached and spread in front, and somebody might spit on that, man. So now, even the COVID, man, I'll be putting my health in jeopardy. Okay? There are times wherein people do some stupid little things now become big. Okay? A situation that is like Chong Torres. Okay. I just want to correct something there. But he thinks by not correcting it, he can get away from it. But what he did, it escalated to a big problem. And now, they should be, because anything that you do to another person, man, for example, if you're going to tow my car and I have a medicine there that I need or something, man, people should think before they do. You have to respect first also the right of other people to their property. You have to, before you put somebody in a situation wherein, like me, man, people are just, man, I don't want to do this, but it should be done. The law is the law.